So, hi guys. Hindi pa tayo nakapag-intro that we're at Eden Park. I'm with my brother. Na-enjoy niya ang Spanish latte. Less sweet kasi yan, kaya masarap. So, we are waiting for 1 o'clock kasi yun yung tour. But anyway, welcome to day 2. Kahapon na sa Samal Island tayo. Ngayon, we are at Eden Park and later Jack's Ridge. Parang yun yung last na purely tour namin and we'll be off to, you know, malls and other sightseeing spots. So, it's just gonna be a chilled vlog, walang pressure. Let's see where this vlog takes us. I'm excited to do the activities here. Kasi sabi ni Ma'am Jane, meron daw sky cycling ba yun? Parang ganun. So, I want to do that. Hi guys, we are here at Eden Park. Anong oras na yun? We are waiting for 1 o'clock para sa day tour and we're having our snacks. Dito sila kumakain. Meron siyang gustong sabihin. Ano yan?
Alam ko na ba't siya tinawag Spanish latte?
Oh.
Mi ultimo adios, patria adorada.
So, hi guys. Nandito na tayo sa truck ng Eden. We're actually here. We are off to our tour. Ilang oras to? 1 hour? 1 hour. So, it's up to you if paano pag magsakay-sakay? So, hi guys. We're done with the day tour. It's just an hour. Ngayon, pupunta na kami sa rides. Magsi-CR lang and freshen up. It's been fun and very soft and nature vibe. Hindi naman siya bago for us, for me, because of course, I do trail and running sa areas natin. And it's just really relaxing to see it in another place. And nakakatuwa sana naman kapag mountain trail kaso time is limited and hindi ako wala tayo sa proper outfit. And my family is not into that, so we'll just stick to the tour. Okay, so we'll see. I'm excited to go sa Sky Cycle and other rides. So, hi guys, we are now at the Sky Park where we will be doing the ride sa Sky, tapos zipline lahat. I availed all, yung kapatid ko isa lang. I mean, I'm here na, diba? Gawin natin lahat. You will see it on the next part of the vlog. So, hindi ako nakapagsalita masyado kasi dine-enjoy ko lang yung softness ng nature. Wow. So, let's see. I'm excited to do the rides. And, we're going for bike and sky zipline. So, na tayo. Let's go. So, I'm going up now to experience the bike. Walang tali tong camera na iwan. Let's see. Let's go now. So hi guys, we're here again, the three of us. Bye-bye. So I'm getting the combo, bike and zipline. Sila zipline lang. Dinala ko na lang kasi sayang ang moment, sabi ni Daddy. So this is the view here. We're back in the car. Tapos na yung mga rides. Pinapaprint lang and umulan. You can see here. It's raining and first time kong kinabahan kanina sa taas. I don't usually feel nervous kasi dala ko tong camera. So it was in my pocket. And then, hindi ko gusto mag-record kasi nga, it's too short. Tapos hindi siya okay sa grip ng kamay ko. So, hindi ako nakapag-video but I think sa baba, nag-video sila for me. In-insert ko na nga as you can see. Kinabahan talaga ako kasi I'm scared. Syempre, I can't risk holding this. Naiwan ko yung ano niya, longer grip. Kaya ayoko, I didn't risk it. But my brother used it for the zipline. So, oh my God. Pabila ko ng tubig kasi hindi ko talaga gusto mahulog. My God, nandito lahat. So, yun. I will see you on the next portion of the vlog. And for now, let's rest kasi umuulan siya. Hi guys, we are now at Jack's Ridge. We're eating dinner here. We're having our dinner. And we have the food now. Kakain lang kami. Ecoland. Tapos na ang mga excursion activities natin. What? Hi guys, right now I am in the gadget area. I bought things. So kanina I bought my wire already. They're doing their shopping. And I'm getting this pink case for my iPad. Kasi wala na akong patience to wait for Shopee. And I'm also getting something for my phone. So let's see what options I have here. So guys, I changed my cell phone case from the Barbie case to this kasi matagal-tagal na rin yun. So, look! And I'm checking on for someone na bibigyan ko ng cell phone case because I think it would be helpful. Which is it? It's already 4:47 p.m. and I love my cell phone case. 4:47 p.m. and I'm actually getting matcha at Paramount Coffee. So this feels amazing. And after ng mga cell phone case, I got myself a book na babasahin ko na ngayon. The Mitch album twice because I'm intrigued by the epilogue or whatever you call that. I'm intrigued by the storyline. So I'm gonna start reading this and just enjoy the afternoon here. Magcha-charge din ako ng phone ko. They're actually busy shopping and I'm really not into shopping. Ang dami ko pang gamit and I just bought things that I want. So one of them is this. I'll get back to you guys. So, hi guys, we got back sa hotel. Ilang minutes yun ang SM Ecoland to Hotel P? Like 40 minutes kami sa daanan. Anyway, I'm gonna show you what I got. Napakita ko na yung iba kanina. Yung iPad. But, I really wanna show this one. I got this Happy New Year cuties na gagamitin natin pag uwi when we will be celebrating the New Year. And I also have a pink headband because why not? So, bumili na ako kasi alam ko, pag uwi ko sa Buanga, hindi na kami makalakad ng ayos, matraffic. And I have variants here. And also 2026. So, magpapalit-palitan na lang kami as a family to take photos with it. And a balloon in white, 2026. Ito, nili ko. Oh, come on. Ano dyan? May mga bashers tayo dito, guys. So, yan siya. It's so cutie.
Tita mo, pentahin.
Bye!
Ano yung nakaw mo yung pinag-isipin? Isa ba? Ang hindi na nagkaba, ang magkanaman. Kala mo yung
Sabaw again. Anong sabaw nila? Hi guys, good morning. It's already 10 plus a.m. Naiwan ako sa hotel. It's our last day here in Davao and I will be meeting my college bestie, college classmate, si Arvin Zapanta. And mag-breakfast na lang muna ako dito. I got KFC and pick up coffee kasi hindi din pwede na mamaya pa kami magkita tapos di pa ako kumain. I might collapse. So, let's eat and watch Emily in Paris. Finally, ka-time na ako after all these times. And ang tanging bibilihin ko na lang talaga today is yung Davao coffee. I'm intrigued by that. I wanna try it out and we'll see where we will go today. Kasi sabi ko kay Arvin, dalhin mo ako sa local coffee shop nyo. That's all that matters. Gusto niya manood ng Bar Boy. Sabi ko hindi, ayokong umiyak. I mean, not on this trip, right? So, we'll see and ayun guys, I'm excited to share this portion of the vlog with you. Sabi ko sa kanya, isang vlog para sa'yo. So, we'll see what happens today.